So hey students, we are now in the physics lab, which is presented by EduBase Foundation. So now we are going to understand how a bulb glows. Okay, so this is quite interesting, and now I am going to use some materials which are or which must be known for the prerequisite knowledge for science students or who are willing to take science in further future. And so the basic material we are going to use today is number one, simple switch, which is used in our experiment, and the battery. Yes, obviously this is used to lighten up our bulb, and the bulb, which is the main theme. And now this is done. Okay, so this is my table, and now I am going to show the experiment on this table, so better concentrate on this. Now I am going to zoom the experiment so that you can observe well. Okay, so you can see the bulb here, and the battery is placed here, and this is the switch. Let me rotate this. Okay, and this is quite visible, and the battery is a bit like this, and bulb is okay. Now we are going to connect the battery to the bulb and the switch. So in order to complete the connections or to complete the circuit, which will help in glowing the bulb. Okay, now you are thinking that which single terminal should be connected to the another terminal. Okay, the common sense here applies is that the red signs applies to red. Now the wire is connected here, and the black sign is obviously connected to the black terminal, which then connects to circuit, and the red to black, which will complete the circuit, the wire of completency. Okay, this allows here to complete the connections, but the bulb is not glowing. So what to do now? You can notice that here the switch is not connected. This is the key, which is not attached to this terminal. So I am going to attach this key. Now you will observe that the bulb will start glowing, and I should zoom this. Okay, now let's connect the bulb to the switch. Okay, the switch is connected, so you can see the electricity is flowing through which the bulb is glowing. So now I'm gonna disconnect this switch again. Okay, the bulb has stopped glowing, and the electricity which is passing or which was passing has been stopped now. So let me connect the switch again. Okay, so the bulb is again in the glowing state. So here we conclude that the source of power is the battery, the switch is the completance, which connects the total circuit to the bulb and the battery, and this bulb is the main theme of our experiment, which shows the working mechanism of a simple electronic device. So hope you understood well. Please like, share and subscribe the YouTube channel so called EduBase Foundation. Thank you.